Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be topping up, so we're going to be kind of mounting our potatoes again. And we planted these about 4 weeks ago, and we've had a lot of rain over the last 4 weeks. So about 2 weeks ago we mounted them, and they've already grown through all of that soil because we've had a lot of rain. So if you do enjoy these kind of videos and want to see more of them, don't forget to hit the like button. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So the reason we do this is because it just means we get better, stronger potatoes, and we force the plants to grow more potatoes. So we've got a bucket of compost here with some feed in it, and all I'm gonna do is just top them up. So I'll start with this one on the end here, and of course it's just started to rain. Right, and the next one, so that's what you want to do really. Just drag the bucket up a little bit. So this is the first time we're doing them in the ground. Last year we did them in potato bags. So I'm just on the third one here. And so these have already been chitted, and if you don't get them chitted, you probably want to chit them. So we're going to do these for the rest of these, and we'll be back in a split second for you guys and about 10 minutes for us. So we're back a day later because we had a really big downpour and I had to go to golf. But we did cover it over, and they've already started to grow through. So I think at this point it's a lost cause. So we're just going to keep on coming back every week or so. But that's going to be it for this video. So if you did enjoy, please like, share and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and check this video down here. And thank you for all the new subscribers, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.